Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using your Google account and opening Google Cloud Console. Create or pick a project immediately because APIs and quotas live per project. Once the project is active, go to the API library and enable the Google Drive API so endpoints become available. After enabling, open Credentials and choose Create Credentials, then API Key. This generates the raw key you will use. Do this now so you have a key to configure and secure in the next steps. Once you have the raw key, make security your priority. Open the key settings and apply application restrictions. For web apps, use HTTP referrers. For servers, lock to IP addresses. For mobile, use package name plus certificate. Then add API restrictions and select only the Google Drive API so the key cannot be used for other services. Name and tag keys by environment, and consider creating separate keys for development and production. These steps reduce exposure and help you revoke or rotate a single key if needed. Now implement the key in your code. Include it in requests as the API expects, usually as a query parameter or in headers, and run a simple Drive API call to confirm access. Monitor usage and quotas in Cloud Console and enable billing only if necessary for higher quotas. If calls fail, make sure the Drive API is still enabled. Verify application and API restrictions match your environment, check referrer or IP patterns, and regenerate the key if compromises are suspected. That single troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.